In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink or remove a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. If you no longer use a specific credit card account, or you simply want to clean up your books and keep your records organized, QuickBooks Online gives you a straightforward way to disconnect the account and then make it inactive. This helps ensure your chart of accounts only shows the accounts you actively need. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Accounting. This is where QuickBooks stores and manages the financial accounts connected to your company file. Next, select Chart of Accounts. In this section, you'll see a full list of the accounts currently set up in your QuickBooks Online company, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other account types. Take a moment to locate the credit card account you want to remove. If you have several accounts, it can help to carefully scan the account names so you choose the correct one. Once you've found the credit card account, go to the Action column on the same row and click the drop-down arrow next to it. From the available options, select Edit. If your goal is to disconnect a connected credit card account first, this is an important part of the process because it allows you to review the account settings before making it inactive. When the account details open, review the information shown on the screen. If there are any changes you need to save before removing the account from active use, go ahead and do that now. After reviewing and saving any necessary changes, return to the credit card account in the Chart of Accounts list. Now, once again, click the drop-down arrow in the Action column next to that same credit card account. This time, choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this action, since making an account inactive removes it from your active working list. Confirm that you want to proceed. After that, verify that the credit card account no longer appears in your active Chart of Accounts list. This final check helps confirm that the account has been successfully removed from active use. Keep in mind that making an account inactive typically hides it from the main list rather than permanently deleting historical records, which is useful for maintaining accurate bookkeeping. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked or removed a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.